There are three lines which are very important to every trade: the entry line, the stop loss line, and the break-even line or break-even point. We dealt with the entry line on the previous video. The most important line after that is the stop loss line. You should not take a trade without a stop loss line in place, but some traders do. Before you enter a trade, you should know the risk reward, where your stop loss points are, and your reward, where the target points might be. And before you can reach your targets, you should have a break-even point to lock in some of the profits and prevent a loss. Now let's have a look at how you set that up in the variables. Well, this is straightforward. We have a stop loss and we've set it to 50 pips. So if the trade moves more than 50 pips into a loss, then we're taken out, and that's our maximum loss for that trade. Then let's have a look at the break-even. Okay, we've set our break-even to 30 pips, so as soon as the trade moves 30 pips into profit, we want to have certain things actioned by TradingSticks for us. The first one is we set here lock-in pips to true, and we're locking in 10 pips. So on a 30 pip profit, we're locking in 10 pips straight away. Now, it could possibly be that you're trading more than one trade at a time on this currency pair, in which case you may wish to close down part of that trade and let the rest of it run. Let's show you how that works now. Okay, here we can see that we're running two trades at a time, so we can afford to close half down at break even and let the other half run. Let's show you how to turn that on. Okay, so we want a partial close on break even. We're going to set the option to true, so when the trade hits 30 pips of profit, half the trade is going to close out for the 30 pips and the other half is going to lock in 10 pips. So effectively we've locked in 40 pips out of a potential 60 pips between the two trades. Let's show you how that works on the charts. Right, firstly let's draw our trend line. Sell line close, and then we wait for the bar to close below that line. Okay, so there we are. So now we have our stop loss line up here, our break even line down here, and just draw your attention to these dotted lines. These are the ones the broker can see. The broker can see this line because this is where you're saying you want to close your trade, and the broker can see this line not because it's the break-even line, but because it's actually the target line for our first portion of the trade. Now follow the trade down to the break-even and see what happens. Okay, so we've hit break-even now. We can see that our stop loss has moved. If we put our chart tool on there, we can see that is 10 pips away from the entry point. So that's our 10 pips there, and our other trade closed out here. So our first trade closed out 30 pips in profit. The second trade's got a lock-in of 10, so we've got 40 pips locked in. It shows that there's the 10 pips there. What else can I show you? At the moment we've got the break-even point here, the buy break-even point, and we are 3 pips away from it. So although we hit the break-even point, we've moved back 3 pips. So you can always see exactly how far away you were from the break-even point itself. We have a sell target 1, which we said partial close, and we hit that, so we're okay. There is no sell target 2 running. That's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Look out for other videos in this series. We recommend exit strategies and reading trade information as the next video in this series to watch.